it'll be all gone. All right, hello everyone. So I actually have a very special surprise for you, because I looked back at the video that I made of the RC before and after, and I'm seeing the same thing you guys are seeing now, and you don't know how special something actually is, how cool it is. But before I forget, this video is actually because of Deuce's comment. So this one is for you guys, and happy Valentine's Day. Those two aren't necessarily related. I don't have a crush on you, Mike. Well, maybe I do. She does. Alrighty, everybody. I'm going to show you here in just a few what this floor is going to look like when all is said and done. But I actually want your suggestions from what you're going to see. Alright, stay tuned. See you soon. Alright, here we go. Now you start seeing the magic, right? Now we start seeing that it's actually like a slate floor that is grouted in place. So, you know, this is probably going on 170 years old that this has been here. And now I get to, man, look at the size of that rock right there. You know what I'm saying? That is just badass and fascinating. So now I get to use this. I'm gonna go around and do it all the way up to the well. Okay, so now I'm going to take this apart, expose some water, and we'll check out what this looks like when it gets wet. All right, put the plastic down here as if I haven't kept an eye on it for the last hour as it dries out. Ready for the big reveal? Check that out. I personally love it. So this is actually completely rock grouted in place. They wanted this basement to actually be functional. So they did this right from the get-go, and that's why it's lasted all these years. Got more to do over on that side, but this is momentum on this side that's gonna keep on carrying through. See you guys later. All right, so the well is exposed. You guys can see the dust in the air. Now we're going to use that water kind of like as our mop bucket. But there's some legit, you know, hand carved and laid stone in there. Getting close to 170 years ago now. Alright, next. This is next. Let's see what it does. Here is a version of the after. This is a part of the wall. I put some water on just to show off, you know, the rock. But take a look. Here's the awesome thing that I'm saying. And let me zoom in and show you this. Like that right there. I mean, that's one big solid piece of slate, I believe this flooring is. All the way through, all grouted, all the way around. I'll zoom out. So that's what it is. And right now I'll show you the how it is that I did it. Are you throwing gang signs? That's cool. Hey, what do you think about this well? Hey, Evan. No. What do you think about this well?
Yeah, okay.
What'd you say earlier? It's creepy?
Yep.
You want to go down there?
Yeah. I don't.
You're right. Are you smart enough to stay away?
So do you do a golden yak?
Yep, I pumped water out and pumped it back in.
Wait, so can I do that? What?
Yeah, later on. This is what I'm working on. And some LED lights. Did you say it was creepy?
Yeah.
And you know to stay away?
Yeah, but Dad, can you wake Billy up stand up again?
Well, I'll do it later. I'll show you, okay?
Aw, Pete, right now?
Not right now. Back feeding from the house pressure supply right here. And then it comes out there so that way it can get the prime because it's coming from up here over down into there, and the prime goes back into the pump and then goes there. So now I have, like, say, emergency water, flowing water, or whatever else. So let me see what this well looks like with some light. So there we are. That is a well. Holy shit. Really cool. All right, let's see what it looks like with the new lighting. Well, bam. Nice and bright around here.
Dad,
Yes?
wasn't my job just all the way down there?
You can if you want to. It'll be all gone. See? All gone.
It is water on that?
Yep. That, hey, can you swim?
Not down there.
No, not at all.
So what's if we go
All right. So yeah, this is the man cave area with the men. Hey, Avon, you see that door over there?
Yeah.
What comes out of that door? Yeah, what comes out of that one? This door over there. You see that somebody came out of this door? You see where it's all wet? Somebody came out of there. What came out of there? You say it's just a shadow? Something like that. It's something that discolors it something else. You're right.
Maybe.
Just
Yeah.
do your pose again. All right. Now keep the hammer away from the glass. All right. Go. Go put the hammer down and the ear protection. All right, guys. So this is the final floor right here. I think it still needs to dry more. I want to see what it looks like. Avon, I said go put the hammer down. You want me to put the hammer down? Go put the hammer down, please.
Okay, wait.
Thank you.
Now can I have my pad boy back?
Yes.
Oh,
But it is Valentine's Day. I'm going to go cook your steak. You can't pay for stuff like this, you know? The humidifier hose. You can open that door.
How?
You say Bloody Mary 3 times.
What?
Nothing.
What's that? How do you...
All right, so one last thing is you guys let me know what you would do. Help me out with making this a more permanent wet look. Like I say, I think it needs to dry a little bit more to see what it looks like. I don't know whether it's just straight epoxy or what else I would do. If there's any sanding before the epoxy or say chipping some of the rocks, leave some of the rocks above the epoxy as well. You know, that would look cool, I think. But yeah, done for.
Can we do it?
No, you're too short.
Come on, Dad. We got
See you guys later.
Hey, yummy dinner? And what's that?
Steak. This is steak.
All right, so we're a little drier now. Trying to take a look at things.
Where's the house?
Man meat,
Where's the house?
woman meat.
hand me 1 and 2.
You guys hungry? All right, I'm starting to get happy with the progress on this and the way it's looking. Really start seeing the rock pop. And then this is drying, so it's popping less. So obviously there's that optimal amount that I need to get to permanently somehow. We shall see. And I think too as well, there's probably still a good bit of dirt on this, even though I really worked hard to clean all of this. You guys, I mean, there's a bucket of dirt in the rigid, a whole bag that I've thrown out. And I went and got the dust deputy. You can see there's a line of dirt there. And once you get that, nothing else actually goes into the shop vac. So that way you're just literally throwing out a 5-gallon bucket at a time. And that one actually comes with 2 buckets in that system. But yep, here is the floor. The nice thing now is I can go and get my tables and bring them down here. Once I get that, I can start bringing my RC items down here, spread them out, start setting up different sections for work areas. But I'm happy with the floor. A lot cleaner. Starting to show off some of the rock. Just some cool stuff.
Ava looks like that one kid from Willy Wonka who just eats chocolate.
Can you do the accent, Ava?
What actually?
The chocolate, my fingers taste so good.
My fingers taste so good.
Stop eating your fingers.
Oh, but it tastes so delicious.